If you need to reset your Disney Plus password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process quickly and easily. Step 1. Go to the Disney Plus login page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Disney Plus login page. You can also use the Disney Plus app on your mobile device. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Disney Plus account. Type in your email and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from Disney Plus. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. Follow the instructions to create a new password for your Disney Plus account. Once you have reset your password, you can log into your Disney Plus account with your new credentials. Enjoy your streaming!